Hello. Okay, so hello and welcome back. I hope you're okay, you are safe. Fine, तो आज जो हम देखेंगे वो है character rigging in Maya. So myself, Kastabasu, and let's start. So first of all, go to rigging tab and then go to skeleton create joints and start your joint. Before that, go to shading and X-ray joints. The main benefit is this, that your joints will be visible on this mode properly. Then start to create your joints. First I'm doing here clavicle, shoulder, then elbow, next wrist. Now at this point we can know that the joint size is too huge. So we will fix that, but before that we need to adjust these joints properly. So let's do that. And then go to display animation joint size. So here just make it 0.5 or 0.2 as per your requirement. So on the top view we are going to create the finger joints. Now skeleton and create joint again. So we are having 4 joints here for pinky. Okay, so at this point I'm doing here fast forward because all those steps are same. So let's do that. Now for thumb we are using 3 joints only. Okay, so here we did our joints, but it's not so proper. So let's move it around and try to adjust those joints on those fingers properly. Okay, so here I'm done with those adjustments and it's here properly adjusted. Now we need to create our naming process. So we need to name all those joints as left and right side, clavicle, shoulder, elbow, wrist, etc. So here I'm doing L underscore clavicle, L underscore shoulder, L underscore elbow, L underscore wrist, and so on. Okay, so here I'm done with left side joints. I'm going to mirror all those joints to the right side. So here mirror joints YZ and search for left means L, replace with R, right. So we're having here right joints with proper naming, means now left clavicle is like right clavicle automatically. Now here again we need to create our spine joints. So from the side view I'm taking my joints. and also we need to name all those joints like spine 1, 2, neck 1, 2, and etc. Again, I'm doing here a fast forward. Okay, so here it's over, and then I need to create our jaw. So we are having here joints and named as jaw 1 and jaw 2, or else you can also use lower jaw, upper jaw, whatever. Same goes with eyes and nose and ears if you want. Okay, so I'm done with this, and now we are having two clavicle joints. To make it parent with the spine, just select those two clavicle joints and hold shift that spine joint and hit P on keyboard. After that, for hand rig, there are two processes, one IK and another one is FK. I will create a separate video on those topics, but right now, first of all, I'm going to skeleton and create IK handles. Then here there are two options, single chain or rotated plane. I'm doing here with single chain. I'm just clicking on shoulder first and then second click on wrist joint, and make sure name it properly. Your IK handle also make it named properly. Like I'm using here R underscore arm IK or left underscore arm IK. Fine. So now just select this area, this joint, and you are free to move your arm. Okay, so here we came to know about IK, but what about FK? So for this right hand, I'm using FK by using a single curve. Means just go to create and curve. You will get a single circle. Rotate that one and fix it here on this joint. Press D on keyboard and snap it properly with thumb to point. So this is our first curve control for FK. Now adjust the size, center history and freeze, and next name it. Same goes with elbow and wrist also. So here I'm just duplicating those curves and naming those properly. Now to create FK control, select that curve and then hold shift, select the joint. Then go to constraint, parent constraint, make it reset first and then apply. So here it's moving that curve with the joint. Again same process for this also. Curve first, joint second, and constraint, parent constraint. You can also use G to repeat action. So here I'm doing G. Now that wrist curve with elbow curve, hit P on keyboard, and elbow curve with shoulder curve, hit P on keyboard. Because if you're moving elbow joint, then your wrist is child, and if you're moving shoulder joint, then your wrist and elbow both are child. So it's kind of grouping. First parent constraint and then group it. So this is the only way to create FK controls, and it's up to you to use IK or FK. Okay, so we are having our FK controls and we observed our IK control also. Now we need to get spine controls. So again, taking a circle and snapping it. So you have to snap that circle point on the joint point properly. You can use different views and just snap it. Then name it, and then just repeat your same action for all those joints with contour curves. So here I'm doing fast forward. Okay, so now we are having our control curves and properly banded also. Now we need to bind this eye joint with eyeball. So first select that eye joint, hold shift, click on eyeball, and then go to skin, bind skin, option box, and just here use selected joint. Close the distance, and rest of all make it same. Apply. So what happened? Snap point off, and this eyeball is moving with this eye joint. Same process for this also. Fine, so it's moving. Now we need to connect that eye control with this eyeball. For that reason, select eye control first and then eye joint second. Now go to constraint, aim constraint, option box. Here meridian offset, make it on, apply, and see this eye is moving with this control. Okay, so that's it for today. We did our joints, we did IKFK, and we also did eye control. So fine. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, comment and share, and if it's helpful, then please subscribe channel, and also please click on the bell button to get all notifications for our future videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay healthy and keep doing good things. Bye bye.